My name is Gabe Thirkell. I'm working for Ace Air Conditioning and I'm a second year air conditioning and refrigeration apprentice. And I enjoy it because you get to see a lot of different things each day. It's not the same thing every day. If you think about getting into air conditioning and refrigeration, some advice would definitely be to stick with it because there can be some tough days, but it's always worth it. You're always learning, always seeing different things, getting around, meeting new people, and just enjoy yourself.